Jesus looked at me, through the blood running down his face. His hands, they were nailed to wood. And he said,
I would have done this for you alone.
I collapsed and wept. My mother was a witch. I worshipped myself as God. My name is Daniel. This is what I saw when I died. Subscribe to Mustard Seed Stories for weekly testimonies of faith and redemption.
My mother practiced witchcraft, candles after midnight, strangers whispering in our living room. I grew up breathing darkness. By my 20s, the New Age told me I was my own God, so I sat on my throne and found it empty. I caught chickenpox as an adult. My body was covered in sores. I couldn't move. My wife said, "There's a revival tonight." I walked in, covered in sores. I opened my mouth and sang, and the sores started disappearing. I fell to my knees. The God I'd searched for had been waiting all along. 7 days later, my heart stopped. My wife screamed. Paramedics came, shocked me. Nothing. 45 minutes, dead. If this is gripping you, hit like. Help someone else find this today. I rose out of my body. I saw myself below. Paramedics working, my wife praying. Light reached for me, alive, pulling me in. And at the center, him. I can't describe his face, but his eyes, they saw everything. Every seance, every lie, every time I called myself God. I waited for judgment, only love. Then he said,
I want to show you something.
I stood on a hill outside Jerusalem, and I watched him die. The crown of thorns, the nails, every sin, every lie. He took it all for me. Then he looked at me.
I would have done this for you alone. If you were the only one, I still would have gone to this cross.
I begged to stay.
Not yet. Tell them what you saw.
Back into my body. 45 minutes dead. God sent me back. I searched everywhere. Witchcraft, New Age, myself. None of it answered. But Jesus, he didn't give me answers. He gave me himself and showed me what love costs. A cross. For me alone. Maybe you're searching too. Empty. Wondering if anyone sees you. He sees you right now. And he says, for you alone, I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me, though he die, yet shall live. John 11:25. Have you felt his eyes on you? Drop your name below. This community prays.